COVID cases rising, rising, rising. So let's start with today. Are we getting back to where we were, at least here in New York, in the spring and summer?
Yeah, good morning, everyone. So, just to put things in perspective, we're nowhere near where we were in March, April, or May. But with that said, over the last month, our number of hospitalizations across the health system have gone up 4.5 fold. So it's rising. So this is not just people are being tested positive for COVID-19, they're being hospitalized. And then when they're hospitalized, they're coming into the intensive care unit, and we're seeing more patients in the intensive care unit around the region.
Right, and that's what, we were seeing back in the spring, where there was these remote hospitals, field hospitals being built because there was just no room for people. So tell us this morning, what is happening inside our hospitals in New York, or especially Long Island right now?
So I guess if there's any good news, it's nowhere near where it was in March. At the peak of the pandemic in our health system, we had about 3,500 patients admitted across the health system at the peak. We're nowhere near that, but we're preparing for that. None of us think it's going to get that bad, but we haven't really felt the effect of the Thanksgiving traveling yet. We haven't seen that bump and surge yet. So we're all nervous about the next bump up, which is going to be 5 to 10 days after Thanksgiving, which is next week.